Hello, good morning everyone. Hope you all are good. This is Nilanjana Bera, your art teacher, and today we will be working on explosion box. Material required for the same are in the first step we required a square paper which is a multiple of 3 I have taken like 3 inches each. I need to divide it so vertically and horizontally in the both ways. I am going to divide it with 3 inches each section. So I'm just drawing them vertical lines and I'm twist it and marking the same on 3 inches each top and bottom and gonna connect the lines just to create check on the sheet. It's all done and now it will be divided into 9 equal portions. Now the corners on each side I want to give a heart shape, so I have just created one similar kind of paper and just dividing it from the middle so that I have a symmetrical shape on each corner. It's better to use a stencil if you have a symmetrical shape which is required at each corner. So I'm going to trace it out at each corner and cut the extra portion with the scissor. It will look like this, but each fold which we required on the sheet need to be organized first. No unnecessary folds are gonna made on the sheet because this is explosion box and we need certain folds which should be folded in a particular way. Now these corners I want them to be folded from the middle, so first I am drawing some lines with a pencil and then we will follow the same. See, these are the reverse side folds because these heart shapes will go inside the box, so we have to maintain that too. These corners will go inside, so we have to fold it in reverse, and the flap or the flat sides they will be only on the edges. So all the heart shapes they will go inside the sheet, so we have to fold it in the reverse side. Now each portion I'm going to highlight and create some extra design for it. Make sure when you're taking a piece of paper it should be 3 inches because we are covering that each section. Now I've taken a square paper of 6 inches and dividing it from the middle so that each section is of 3 inches each. Now this will be also one of the sides which we will be pasting, and one diagonal line crossing the entire square sheet just to make the creases little more sharp. Now these are the folds which you have to do it in a certain way, like 2 sides will be completely flat and 2 will be a triangle fold will also be required. Just don't make any unnecessary folds so that your flap will not be come clearly. I'm pasting this paper in such a way that it will open on the outside of that sheet and it will again fold back and stick on that same surface. Now to right and left sides also taken 3 inches measurement and then pasting it. The heart shapes I'm gonna highlight them with the glitter silver, and these areas which we have just left it for any kind of decoration part, here I am pasting white cartridge sheet. Even you can highlight each section with a different photograph or a printed paper if you like to do that. In this explosion box you get a lot of spaces where you can write messages to the person whom you are giving it. There are multiple ways of decorating each section. For the corners I have used glitter sheet, and I have divided that heart shape into 2 portions so that it have extra space for pasting or folding. Now this is the lid of that box. I have taken the same measurement, 3 inches, and 1 inch extra for the edges so that it can hold that box. Just cutting out the corners, and we'll just give one vertical fold on each line which has been drawn. Do use a ruler for folding because the crease became little more sharp. And these corners, 4 corners, you just paste them one over the other, and while pasting this, just don't make that lid too much tight, or adjust it and then paste it. Once you have created the lid, now you can just decorate it with any other color which you have opted for the explosion box, or maybe a color combination which will suit the lid. I prefer to use the same shade. I have used some decorative material for the lid, and these are small little pearl sticker kind of things which are available in the market. So I'm just pasting them. They already have some glue, so it's very easy to work with them, and the extra I just cut it with a scissor. The lid is complete, and just do check how many places you have for writing messages or any other photograph you want to paste it. You have a lot of spaces there. Even you can decorate each flap. Do cross check whether the box closes or not, and then just try to put the lid. Now each time you have to do it properly, and now it's complete. Hope you have understood and will definitely try. Thank you.